Hello and welcome back to the channel. So on today's video we're going to take you outside to show you how we detail this thing, and this thing is a supercar. So we're so excited about this supercar, and it's nothing else than an Audi R8 V10 Plus. Phenomenal car. So on this video we're going to show you sections of the work that we did. Some of them we're going to explain a little bit about it, others we're just going to have some music playing there, take you through the journey. I'm going to show you the tools, the pads, the procedure, and then I'm going to give you a very detailed walk around of what we did and show you the amount of work that we did on this car, and the details that we did. The car came out stunning. So let's flip this thing around and show you the tools. We start with that. Okay, so we have all the tools and the products and the pads. So we're gonna divide it into sections and tell you a little bit about each. So first, the safety department. Make sure you always wear your mask, gloves, and the tape. Then moving to the products, the Turbo Wax Wheel Cleaner Deluxe. So we did the tires and wheels with that. The tires, we dressed them with the T2 tire dressing. The glass, we did the mix of the Waterless right here. We polished the glass with the Swirl Remover Pro X, and then we clean the inside and outside with this guy. Always with our prep oil prior to the coating. Coating wise, as usual, the Boosted 2.0, the clay block that we did during the washing. During the washing this time we used our blue shampoo right there. We did the Swirl Remover Pro X for the surfaces, and carbon fiber, glass, and so on. We top it up at the end with the Quick Detailer Plus. This is the one that we recommended to maintain it also. The interior we did with the interior dressing RP1, and we did the interior shampoo gel from Ultima. So that's all the products that we use. Products wise, safety wise, tool wise, we measured the paint. We had our light here. That's the one that we use. We use our compressor, and our compressor we have a video about the airbrush gun. So check that video out. We also have a video about, well, we got video about using all these products. Polishing the glass, we also have a video. Here's the toolings. This guy here for the small areas, the small 3-inch. Then we had the 15, 21, similar to the ones out there. And a little bit about the pads, quite a bit of 3-inch pads, and I'm going to show you the why. And then a bunch of microfibers, and most of the blue one, or actually all the blue ones, we did use to remove the coating. So chances are we just going to throw them away. So I'm going to flip this thing around and give you a walk around on the car. Cleaner Deluxe, one more pass. And then the faces I do it with a sponge. I got some soap and water here. I'm just gonna simply go over, glide it over. I got a brush, small brush for this area here, and I got a small brush for the calipers. So we are connected. We're just gonna foam away with the garden hose, nothing special. If this is your first time using our clay block, I recommended that you do a break-in on the glass. This one we have already done it, so we're just simply gonna go and glide on the surface. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna wash it, and then I go behind this. That way I'm not moving the dirt around. I just did that right now just to show you. All right, finish washing her. These grills I did with a little brush. I'm not gonna record all that, but I do want to show you there's no protection on the surface right now after using the clay block. Right there, so there's nothing there, so that's good for us. And then we're gonna somewhat dry her up and go inside, finish drying her up, turn the AC on, and start the process. Okay, and here she is fully done. Came out stunning. So let's start here from the front. So the front, we polish everything with the Swirl remover, all these plastic pieces, the headlights, the carbon fiber, and what we did is we applied the boosted 2.0. That we did the same with the grill, all of that. We did the wheels, we did the Swirl remover, very light touch, and then the calipers, and we applied the coating, and then the carbon fiber came out beautiful. The glass we polish, and the glass makes a huge difference. And more carbon fiber right here. Here's the roof, and look at the spoiler. A little view from the side here. So we have her inside the shop in the air conditioner, and look at the back glass. And I'm gonna open the hatch to show you the inside, but look at the glass. The glass came out phenomenal. So that's a quick view there, and that's the boosted 2.0 ceramic coating. I did put 2 coats just to make sure that we get the best result possible. Then after that I went with the Quick Detailer Plus, and there you have it. So let me show you the inside and the outside. Okay, look at the headlights, beautiful. So all this plastic we did with the boosted 2.0, and it looks phenomenal, beautiful. Everything was coated all the way to the details, the size there. And then the inside we did all the door jambs. We applied the boosted to the sides here, the RP1 to the interior. Look at that beautiful color. The dash, everything was touched inside here. And the beautiful thing about this interior dressing is non-greasy, non-tacky, and it just leave it with a real nice natural color. And then we go back to the engine, and look at this carbon fiber. We polish all of that with the Swirl remover, and then we apply the coating, and it looks just great. I'm sure the customer is going to be very happy. We spray all these grills. We sprayed these grills. We did the diffuser all the way down there that nobody will see. We sprayed all of that. Took the plate out. Did the back side here. It's a view from this side. Everything was touched. Okay, so this completes this video. It's only right that we do the last portion from inside the cabin. What a phenomenal place. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tips. Follow us on Instagram, TurboWax. Check our website, turbowax.com, and we'll see you next time with something dope. Thank you for watching.